Space is not just filled with stars and galaxies. Most of it is nothing. Vast regions exist where almost nothing happens, where matter is nearly absent. This emptiness is not a background. It is the dominant feature of the universe. Understanding this infinite nothing may be the key to understanding everything else. What we call empty space is not truly empty. Even the darkest voids contain faint energy, quantum fluctuations, and invisible particles. Space itself has structure. The vacuum is alive with activity on scales far smaller than atoms, constantly appearing and disappearing beyond human perception. Cosmic voids are the largest known structures in the universe. Some span hundreds of millions of light years and contain almost no galaxies. Inside them, gravity is weak, matter is scarce, and time seems to stretch differently. These regions dominate the universe, making emptiness more common than matter. The universe did not begin filled with stars. After the Big Bang, there was mostly empty space. Matter slowly gathered under gravity, forming galaxies and clusters, leaving behind enormous voids. The universe evolved by separating matter from nothing, creating islands of existence in an ocean of emptiness. Dark energy may be the ultimate form of nothingness. It fills all of space and drives the expansion of the universe. The more space exists, the stronger its effect becomes. This invisible energy dominates the cosmos, yet we do not know what it is or why it exists at all. Even inside atoms, most of the space is empty. If an atom were the size of a stadium, the nucleus would be a grain of sand. Matter itself is mostly nothing. Solid reality is an illusion created by forces and fields, not by physical substance filling space. Quantum physics reveals that emptiness is unstable. Virtual particles constantly pop into existence and vanish instantly. This quantum vacuum contains energy that can be measured. Nothingness is not passive, it is active, restless, and fundamental to reality itself. Some theories suggest the universe came from nothing. Space, time, and energy may have emerged from a quantum vacuum fluctuation. In this view, existence is not the opposite of nothingness, it is a temporary expression of it, shaped by physical laws. As the universe expands, emptiness grows faster than matter. Galaxies drift apart, stars fade, and space becomes colder and darker. In the far future, most of the universe will be almost completely empty, a vast, silent expanse with only faint traces of what once existed. This leads to a disturbing idea. Nothingness may win. Over trillions of years, stars will burn out, black holes will evaporate, and matter itself may decay. What remains could be a universe dominated by near-perfect emptiness, stretching endlessly in all directions. Yet without nothing, nothing else could exist. Space gives room for matter. Emptiness allows motion, structure, and time. Without vast empty regions, galaxies could not form, stars could not shine, and life could never emerge. Nothingness is the stage on which existence performs. Our brains evolved to understand solid objects, not infinite voids. This makes true emptiness terrifying. It has no edges, no center, no reference points. In deep space, direction loses meaning, and isolation becomes absolute. The universe offers no comfort in its emptiest places. Some physicists believe space itself may have limits, while others argue it is truly infinite. If space has no boundary, then nothingness stretches forever. No wall, no edge, just endless extension, with matter occupying only tiny regions within an infinite void. The greatest mystery is not what exists, but why anything exists at all. Why is there something instead of nothing? Physics can describe how the universe behaves, but this question touches the deepest limits of science, philosophy, and human understanding. When we look into deep space, we are not just seeing distant objects. We are staring into vast regions of nothingness between them. Most of what we observe is absence. The universe is defined as much by what is missing as by what is present. The infinite nothing is not empty of meaning. It shapes the universe, controls its future, and challenges our understanding of reality. Space's greatest mystery is not hidden in stars or galaxies. It is written in the silence between them, stretching endlessly beyond comprehension.